Hi, today we're about to do the modeling of this elbow that you're seeing in front of you. So I'm gonna go and show you the dimensions. As you can see on the sketch, the dimensions are in millimeters. So I'm not gonna waste any time. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up there and then I see new sketch. So since dimensions are in millimeters, we're gonna go just there. And here I need to make sure about my drawing origin, so it needs to be in the plane XY. So here I have to draw this line here. Remember, this line is just for guidance. And now I want this one here to be 900 millimeters. So once I get this one right, what I'm gonna do next is I need to draw the axis, okay, because for this drawing I need to use the sweep function. So that's why I need to be 150 millimeters. So that is 150 millimeter, 150. I go there, then I draw this arc, okay, which is still part of the axis. So that's one need to be 260. That need to be 260 millimeters. So that is done. I need to make sure now that my arc is tangent to my line. So the next thing that I have to do now is to do this other line. I need to draw this line. That is my line, and I need to make sure, even though I might know that it's tangent, but I need to make sure. So that needs to be tangent to that one, correct? And now I have to trim the excessive part. So that is excessive. I need to trim it. So the next thing that I have to make sure about is the dimension. So that's one need to be 150 millimeters. So once that is done, what I need to do now is I need now to put that one there. Come on, escape. I need now to put this one here as an axis. So that's an axis. So that's one there. I click there. This one as well. I click there. So since that is done, I go and say finish sketch. Then I come here on the origin. So I need to draw the profile. I need to draw the profile. And then I say new sketch. Then I come here. The next thing that I do again, I just draw my line. So my first, escape, my second, that is my second. Okay, escape again. The next thing that I'm gonna do now, let me just give dimensions to my line. So that's one. Let me make it 600. It won't kill the cat. 600. So that's one. 450 is fine. Escape. And then here I'm gonna draw my circle, my first, my second, and this one here need to be 290. That one need to be 290. So that is 290 as per my sketch, and this internal diameter, that's one need to be 210. So that is 210. So now I get that one straight. The next thing that I have to do, I need to draw my square. There is my square, as you can see there. So this part here, I need to draw that part. Okay, and those size according to drawing need to be 360. So that need to be 360, and this one need to be 360 as well. That is done. The next thing now is to make sure about the symmetry. So that needs to be 180. So that needs to be 180, and this one as well need to be 180. So that need to be 180. Okay, so this might take time, but don't worry, you're gonna get there. So I need to draw this one back there. I need to drag it back. I need to drag it back there. So I'm gonna drag it back there. So that is done. The next thing that I need to draw now are my holes. The holes for to have the to have the elbow to be fixed wherever it needs to be fixed. So my third circle, my fourth, don't worry, I'm gonna fix all of those things. Okay, the internal ones. Okay, I need to get those ones, right? And then I need to give dimension. So that's one they need to be 30 millimeters. So that needs to be 30 millimeters. This one here needs to be 60 millimeters. This here need to be 30. That they need to be 60. And then here that need to be 60 as well. This one here need to be 30. Yeah, that was close, 32. That one they need to be 60 millimeters, and at last that need to be 30. The next thing that I need to make sure about is the distance from center to center. So that's one they, according to drawing, need to be 260. So that's one need to be 260. And now from the to the, that one need to be 130. 130. So the same thing must be applied here. So from the to here, that one they need to be 260. So 260 millimeters. Now from the to here, that one need to be 130. Right, so that need to be 130. And again, from the to here, that need to be 260, right? So 260. And here, that need to be 130. 130. And the same thing applied there. So from there to here, that need to be 260. So 260. And here, that need to be 130. 130. Great, so that is done. Okay, everything is done now, everything is great. So I'm happy what I'm seeing in front of me. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say finish sketch. So once I say finish sketch, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna press the function sweep. There is a profile. I'm gonna select my profile, the path, that is my path. Okay, then I want it to go the way it's going, and then from there I'm gonna say okay. So the next thing that I want is to see my sketch. I want my sketch to be visible. Once it's visible, I go on Extrude. I click there. Okay, I want this one to go back. Let me even choose this. That come here. You too, don't worry, you are part of the team. So that's as well. So I want it to go back to be extruded by 50 millimeters, and I want it to be extruded the other way around, not the side, the other way around. So that is done. I see. Okay, the next thing that I want is now to put this step. I need to have a step there. So here, come on, escape. Please bear with me, don't worry. So that port, this port, that port, and then I see 10 millimeters. So 10 millimeters. So the other way, then I'm cutting it. So that is fine. Am I cutting the? Then I say okay. So that is great. I come back here. Where is it? D. And that's one. Visibility removed. Okay. So I'll get this port. The next thing that I want to do the same this other side. So now this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go on origin. So ZX or XZ. I press it and then I go plane. I press plane, then I drag it up to the. So there I need to be gone up to 410 millimeters. So 410. I say okay. Then I come here, I click on it, and I say new sketch. So now what I need to do, again. Remember, these lines are important, just to avoid any confusion. So you have to have these lines. So that is my second line. These are for guidance again. So I want the second line of mine to be parallel to this first one, and I want the dimensions, come on you, I want the dimensions from there to here to be 410. So that needs to be 410. It is 410. And the next thing that I want to do now, let me get my other line. I need to get this other line of mine. So that's one. Thank you so much. Thank you. And now I have to draw my circle, my first, my second. Come on, be serious. And then I need to give dimensions. So I know that's one need to be 210. I like it. That's one need to be 290. Yeah, 290. That need to be 290. I like it that way. And then here, what I need to do now, I need to draw my square, this one over there, and I want all the dimensions. That's one need to be 360. That need to be 360 millimeters. And this side here need to be 360 as well. 360. And here now, so from there to there, that one need to be 130. 130. And this 130, what did I do? Yeah, that's 130. No, sorry. That needs to be 180. Come on, 180. That's great. And now from the that one needs to be as well 180. That's great. So the next thing that I want to do is to drag my lines back. So I want this to go back. Thank you. So I come back here now. I want this to come back here. Great. So that is fine. Everything is fine. So the next thing I want now is to draw my holes. So the first one needs to be here. The second one needs to be here. The third one, come on. The third one needs to be there. The fourth one needs to be here. Come on. That's fine. My internal circles. My internal one. My other one. My other one. So the next move, no. The next move now is to give dimension. So that one needs to be 60 millimeters. This one needs to be 30 millimeters. 30 millimeters. Yeah, I need to have 30 millimeters. Again, that one needs to be 60. Come on, 60 millimeters. I come here. This one here needs to be 60 millimeters as well. That one needs to be 30 millimeters. You need to be 30 millimeters. And then at last now, that needs to be 30 millimeters. So that is done. Now what I need to do next is to give dimensions. So I want from there to here to be 260. So that needs to be 260 millimeters. Great. And from there to here, that needs to be 130. Great. I come back here. So from there to the that need to be 130. Or else you can just draw a line here, but I prefer I'm doing them on curves. So that's one need to be as well 130. And from the to the that need to be 260. 260. And from the to the that one need to be 130. Alright, so that is great. And then here, do I have that one? Not yet. That need to be 130 as well. So that need to be 130. This one here need to be 130. 130, right? 130. So I got that one, I got this one, I got everything. Everything is correct. Okay, great. And then here I see, yeah, I think everything is done, right? Okay, finish sketch. I come here, I say extrude. Now I want to extrude this part. Now by 50 millimeters. Let me come inside here. I select you as well. You too. You too, you're part of the game. That part. Then I see 55, actually 5, the other side. Okay. V. Then I say okay. Again, where is it? Visibility on. Extrude again. So this part, that part, this part, and that part, I need now to cut it. I need to cut it by 10 millimeters. So 10 millimeters. So it's not gonna go inside the other way. I say okay. The next thing that I want now is to remove visibility. So visibility removed. I want to remove the visibility of the plane as well. Removed. So this is how your drawing looks like. Alright. So I think now what I need to put now is my chamfer inside. So that's one over there. Need to go inside by 10 millimeters. So 10 millimeters. So 10 millimeters. Okay. I come this side as well. This side as well. So here as well. 10 millimeters. So that's one. 10 millimeter. Done. So I need to kill the corners. I need to kill the corners. Okay. So I select that one. I select this one. That one as well. Okay. This one. That one. All the corners. This one as well. As per my drawing. That one. And at last, this one. And now this need to be killed with 10 millimeters. So 10 millimeter radius. Great. Okay. So I can also kill that side. 10 millimeters. So however you want, the mouse is yours. You can do whatever you want with your mouse. So this is your conception. So it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoy it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. Don't forget to like if you like it. Don't forget to share if you want to share this one. But before leaving you, while expecting to see you on the next video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give the material to this pipe of ours or this elbow. So I want this to be let's go stainless steel. Stainless steel. Shiny, yeah. So this is great. So now I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself and see you on the next video. Bye.